My name is Nicole Moore with So Much More. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to make the Dana pack, which is a fun and easy fanny pack pattern. While you're watching, if you see something that you like, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Get your materials list and detailed tips and tricks on my website. Now let's get started. I've used the pattern pieces in the Dana pack pattern to cut out and prepare all of my pieces. First, we'll install our zipper. Place your closed zipper right side down with the zipper head on the left-hand side. Align the top edge of your zipper tape along the top raw edge of the main panel piece. Place your main panel lining right side down over the zipper and the exterior fabric. Align everything on the top and sides and secure with clips. Use your zipper foot to sew in place. As you can see, I've sewn this in place and added a nice top stitch as well. And now you'll repeat the same steps with the top exterior and lining panel. You'll notice that the exterior top panel is slightly taller than the interior top panel, and that'll make more sense towards the end of the pattern. But using your zipper foot, you'll sew these pieces together with the zipper tape aligned. Go ahead and add the top stitching as well. Next, we will work on the darts. Darts are these little triangular notches on the bottom corners of the main exterior and interior pieces. Fold the dart edges right sides together and secure with a clip. Sew each dart and trim according to your pattern. And then you'll align the exterior and interior pieces with the darts facing outward. This will give your pocket a little bit of room rather than just a flush finish. Now you'll attach the back liner to the main panel piece. On a side note, this is a great place to add your custom labels. Place the back liner right side up. Then place the main panel piece right side up just on top of it. Align the top raw edge of the back liner with the top raw edge of the front panel liner. That's a mouthful. Using clips, you'll secure these pieces all along three sides. Leave the top open. Once you have all of your clips in place, you'll sew along all three sides. Remember to leave that top open. Trim off your excess zipper tape. Now make sure that your zipper head is inside. You don't want to cut that off. Attach your side panel pieces and clip these to secure into place. Take this to your sewing machine to stitch into place, and don't forget to add your top stitching as well. We're getting really close to finishing now. Take your marked D-ring tabs and place them according to the pattern instructions. And now is the time to ensure that your zipper is open. Place your back main panel right side down over your front assembled piece. Then using clips, you'll secure this into place. Now I've sped up this video, but I wanted to let you know that this step can take several minutes to get everything lined up. You may need to clip and unclip to get everything just how you like it. Take your time and it'll work itself out eventually. This next step is tricky, so pay close attention on how you're clipping. Secure the top of the back main panel to the top of the front top exterior panel. Remember that the front top panel liner is shorter than the exterior, so be careful not to sew the top liner to the main back panel. In fact, it's recommended that before you start sewing to flip the entire piece over so that you can see the lining pieces. this is the fun part. I love turning out a bag. It's so fun to see how it all comes together. When you get everything arranged, be sure to smooth out the fabric at the top edge. You'll be doing a final top stitch on the top edge, and you'll want to make sure that everything is closed up around the birthing hole area. Check out my YouTube channel and learn how to make your own adjustable, removable strap. But isn't this a great fanny pack? I just love this pattern. It's super fun and simple. I've made several of these so far, but this one is really a favorite, especially the patchwork front. Isn't it great? I even used a pants pocket for the back of this one. And on this fanny pack, I used canvas fabric and cork accents. And on this one, I've used vinyl and webbing for the strap. That was like cheating. It was super simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you sign up for notifications, you'll be the first to know about my next video. And if you want more DIY, go to the link in the description and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Each week, I send inspiration directly to your inbox. For more tutorials, head over to my website, where there is always so much more in store.